All right, guys, just wrapped up this 2025 Silverado 1500. Went with the Mcgaughys 7 to 9 inch lift, setting at 9 inches of lift. Got the 24 inch replica wheels and a 38 1350 24 Toyo RT Trail. Did have to do some modifications for clearance. Of course, we did the mud flap delete here. We had to shift the bumper forward 3/4 of an inch to keep the bumper from rubbing down in here. Trim a little bit of your plastic on your valence here. And then right through here on your inner plastics, we have to cut a few inches off of that. And now everything clears great. So not too extensive. Biggest thing is gonna be that bumper spacer. At 9 inches, you are gonna be required to do the optional upper control arms, which if you haven't seen, now come with the billet accents as well. It used to be a silver accent. It's just got the Mcgaughys struts on it. And you're gonna see that you on your kicker braces here, they've also got the billet accents, as does the front cross member, so it kind of just ties it all together. This kit's going to come with a shims that you can use on the rear to adjust the ride height from that 7 to 9. We did use all 4 shims, and we were just barely a touch high in the front, about 3/8 of an inch. Did the rough country aluminum steps, turned out nice. You got the Mcgaughys shocks on the rear as well. You see that shim kit I'm talking about? Now that's bolted to your leaf spring peg. That's not just sitting on top of your block. It's going to come with a new tie bolt that ties it into it. And once again, if you're watching my Mcgaughys videos, I'm still very excited that they started zinc coating their U-bolts, as previously they came raw and we had to always paint them. So once again, I'm still very happy about that. Get your brake line relocation bracket up there. You see the front cross member's got the stainless steel accents here. So to be at 9 inches, you can see we still got really good angles. They're going to use that same cutout design to match cross member on their skid plate. Ties everything nice. Beautiful. Probably one really important detail that I didn't mention yet, we did have to use wheel spacers with this kit on a factory offset wheel. So with this setup, we are using a 1 3/4 wheel spacer. And that is to keep the tires from rubbing on the sway bar and the upper control arms. I'll give you show you what I'm talking about here. So you can imagine too, if that was a 20-inch wheel, it would even be tighter there. And you get your clearance there. So we have to space it out a little bit with that offset to keep it from rubbing on your knuckle, your arm, and your tie rod. Obviously could have went with a bigger spacer, like a 2-inch, but that's going to decrease our tire clearance slightly, and we needed all that we could get with the 38s. All right, guys, that's going to be it on this one. Make sure you like the video, subscribe, stay tuned for more.